Hello everyone, I am Jairam Nandagiri from BE Comms. I have created a project on robotic vision lab, which is virtual paint using OpenCV in Python. So let's look into it. These are the table of contents: introduction, problem statement, process, virtual paint, which consists of contour detection and summary. Introduction. A digital painting is an emerging art form in which traditional painting techniques such as watercolor, soil impasto are applied using digital tools by means of computer, a graphic tablets and stylus and a software. Traditional painting is painting with a physical medium as opposed to more modern style like digital. The main difference between digital and traditional is that non-linear process. That is, an artist can often arrange his paintings in layers that can be edited independently, like Adobe software. Also, the ability to undo and redo strokes frees the artist from a linear process, whereas traditional painting does not have an undo and redo option. Like you have to create a new art every time when he makes some wrong. So that's why digital paintings come into picture, where you can undo and redo something. Problem statement. The proposed system is a virtual paint which can detect colors as well as using colored marker to draw virtually while webcam is on. So we can draw virtually using colored marker. I can show you a demo on that. We'll show you a demo. Then virtual paint uses contour detection for color detection and draw canvas for drawing purpose. This application is created using OpenCV in Python. Next, process. So for creating an object, the first is that we have to set the parameters of colors like min, max, and for setting these, what are these parameters is that the object which is shown here is that the hand and the background image should not be displayed, like the only color which is surrounded by the rectangle should be only captured in that. So we have to set those parameters and passed into the my color function, which basically goes through into the get contours method. So this is the this is the first process, and then contour detections come into picture. For getting better accuracy, we use binary images. In OpenCV, finding contour is like finding white object from bad background, as you can see here. So remember, object to be found should be white and background should be black, and we can set these values into my color function for drawing canvas. There are three main functions: find color, get contours, and draw on canvas. Draw on canvas is basically you are drawing the anything diagram like using a color on webcam, and get contours is basically getting counters basically outline the bounded shape or an object, as shown in the screen. Like it shows a rectangle bounded with a blue color, which and a small dot which is a counter, and then right side, as you can see, you can easily draw a color, paint something. Then summary. Hence I have successfully created virtual paint which can detect colors, and using colored marker to draw virtually. I got to know how to use different color apart from RGB colors and understood how counter detection works. Virtual paint application is created using OpenCV in Python. So let's look into a demo.